Team take profits. The movement is real.
Alright guys, I did not want to make this video. I didn't. I wanted to report to you a win, but unfortunately, man, I was trading live and I got in a little too early. And of course, they faked me out and I fell for it. Now here's the thing. I ain't gonna lie. I didn't follow one of my rules. And one of those rules cost me to go into a lot of drawdown, eventually getting stopped out. And guess what? Y'all know. It still came down and hit my TP. What I originally planned out. I just jumped the gun, got in too early, and hopefully y'all can learn from my mistake. Hopefully I can explain it to you. I'm going to explain to you my analysis and explain to you what went wrong and how and what I could have done better. All for you. All right. Hey, everybody that clicked on this video to watch, I appreciate you. I appreciate your time. And it's Team Take Profits. Welcome to the family, baby. GBP USD. This is what I'm looking at. Like I said, price was coming to this supply zone. Right, and that's this area right here. Now I trade London session, so I missed it coming out of there, but that was the trade coming up out of there. As soon as it closed, soon as it went inside of here and closed outside, like, you know, that was game time. But like I say, I trade London session and I wasn't able to catch it for us. I don't trade this currency pair during Australia. I trade all JPY for Australia session. So if we already missed it coming out of here somewhere, then where would we pick up a sale at from here? And that's what a lot of people struggle with. So you got to create another parameter, like another area of interest, if you want to call it that. So what I would do is, so first of all, we're on a 4-hour chart. After I've already examined the 4-hour chart, I'm going down to the 1 hour. You can see that it's bullish. So that's why we have to be careful if we get into a sale. We have to pick the right sale area. Do that make sense? Like, we have to pick the right sale area. If not, if we don't pick the right area, we can take a sale, be up 3 pips, and it just turn around on us. We can be up 5 pips and then it just turns around on us if we don't pick the right sale area. So you got to ask yourself, where does sellers come in at? If you look at this, where did the sellers kick in at? I see some kicking in right here. Sellers start making a move up in here. So those are some decent little areas right there where you see the sellers start kicking in. Now look at this hour. Only thing I see that price broke the trend line, which is nice. And price is breaking the 50, which is nice. But I'm still not convinced fully, because where are the sellers coming in at? Only thing my eyes can see is how price started making this stutter, this consolidation right up in here, this accumulation area right here. See that? Can your eyes see that? See, everything is like straight up, straight up, straight up, and then it stops going straight up and it kind of went sideways. Whatever you want to call it. Consolidation, accumulation, whatever you want, fancy words you want to call it. That's what my eyes see. You see how it's going up and then it kind of went sideways. So that's the structure. So I need for price to go ahead and commit below this structure right here. It has to commit below that structure. If price don't commit below that structure, I can't take a sale. My hands is tied, y'all. My hands is tied. What can I do? I can't make it do nothing. So price has to commit below that structure, and then we could take a sale. What would that look like? Entry 27974. Stop loss above that little structure area right there. So I ended up falling asleep on this trade. I put my stop loss in. I put my take profit in. It's right here. I don't know if you can see it. I'm just looking at it like this is where it went wrong. You can see the wick at the top up here. You can see where it wicked out in the red area and it hit the stop loss and just dropped. What I should have done was where you see that yellow line on my chart. You can see the yellow line. What I should have done was wait for price to clearly break below that entry point. I was trying to take a breakout and it cost me. It cost me like, I mean, it was only like 15, I'd say 18 max pips. So that wasn't too bad. And it cost me. I should have just waited. And I said that in the analysis. But then when price started going, it faked me out. I thought it was going to break out. It didn't. And so literally just waiting for price to close below where that yellow line is, 1.27983. Waiting for it to close below that area, clearly close. I would have had a better shot at winning that trade. An 85% win rate on that. 85% chance of winning that. Versus trying to take that breakout, which ended up wicking out on me and going straight up. And those are the worst, man. Like, comment below, like, how you, like, what's your experience with that? Like, I hate when you get in, and as soon as you get in, it turns right around. Those are the worst. My analysis wasn't far off, though. I knew it was going to drop, just the timing was off. So, wait, if whatever your entry point is, wait for price to close below that level. And then you may wait for a retest, or then you may just take the sell. You can go from there, but let it close below. And even if it doesn't, just be okay with missing that trade. Be okay with missing that trade. I guess I wasn't okay with missing it, so it cost me. But lessons are learned. And so some of that loss was recouped, or I would say half of it. Half of that loss was recouped on RJPY, the signal I sent out on Discord. Okay, I sent it out. I sent the buy limit. RJPY has been going up forever, as well as GBPJPY. I sent out a signal and it hit take profit, and some people took advantage of it. So we definitely got it back, got half of it back, and I'm by the end of the week we'll have all of it back and some profit for the end of the week. So just a mental error. I will do better. I won't make that mistake. I won't say I never will make that mistake again, but it'll be a while. Because when you get to my level, you just don't make those mistakes over and over and over like that. Like, you know how to dial it in and get back focused. Hey, look, if you want more of these type of videos and learn from my live trades, then like this video, comment, and subscribe. And let's make this money, baby. Peace.
It's all me, everything is on me, gon' back it up. Matter what, told you I'm a